Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute scarf. I'm calling it the Mayflower scarf because I think, sorry about the dogs, I think it's so perfect for the spring, and you know the saying, April showers bring May flowers, so it's kind of like a springy saying. So the Mayflowers scarf. It's super easy and beginner friendly. I crocheted this in one afternoon, so you can work it up pretty quickly. So let's jump into the tutorial. So first, here's the supplies that you will need. I'm using this Bernat Baby Sport yarn, and I'm using a size 4mm crochet hook. If you want to make the same size scarf as me, I recommend using a 4mm hook, but if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can change your hook size, and some yarn scissors. So first we're going to start with a slip knot, which I like to do by just crossing my yarn and pulling that side through, and then place that loop on your hook. Pull it nice and tight. And now we're going to make a chain of 15. And to do that, you're just going to yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. And now we're going to chain 2 more for a turning stitch. So 1, 2. And now we're gonna skip these 2 because that's just our turning stitch, and we're gonna work into the 3rd chain from our hook, and we're gonna do a double crochet. So to do that, we're gonna yarn over, insert our hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. Sorry if you can hear some animals moving around in the background. And now we're just gonna do double crochets all the way down our foundation chain. So going into the next stitch. So that's gonna be 15 double crochets in total. Okay, so once you have done your 15 double crochets, now we're gonna chain 2 for a turning stitch. So 1, 2, turn your work. And now we're gonna do 4 double crochets, 1 in each of the first 4 stitches. So here's our first stitch at the base of our chain 2. We're gonna do 1 double crochet. Next stitch, we're gonna do another double crochet. It's 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in this 4th stitch we're going to do a triple crochet. We're going to do that by yarning over twice. Now insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through that stitch, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. You can hear the dog. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Now we're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in this 4th one, we're going to do a double crochet. So double crochet, and we're going to do double crochets in these last 3 stitches, so it ends with 4 double crochets total. So that's 2, next stitch, that's 3, and 1 last double crochet in the final stitch. That's 4 double crochets. Now we're going to chain 2, turn your work, and we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the first 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet in that first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And now we're going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to do a single crochet in this treble crochet. So find where you did your triple crochet. It goes, people call it triple, some people call it treble. I go back and forth, so sorry about that. So insert your hook, and to do the single crochet, just insert into that stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, then yarn over, pull through both the loops on your hook. And now we're going to chain 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to skip 5 stitches. So to do this, we're going to skip this chain of 3, that's 3, and we're going to skip these 2 stitches, and we're going to go into this becomes the next stitch. So let's insert our hook into this stitch, which is the 3rd double crochet we have here, and do a double crochet. So double crochet, and now we're going to double crochet in this last stitch as well. And that's the end of that row. So now we're going to chain 2 and turn our work. And now we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of these first 2 stitches. So let's do 1 double crochet, next stitch, that makes 2 double crochets. And now we're going to do 2 double crochets into this chain space. So we're going to go into the chain space and do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. And now we're going to chain 3 again like we did down here. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do a triple crochet into this single crochet from the last row that we did. So triple crochet. And now we're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do 2 double crochets into this chain space once again. So 1, 2, and now we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of these last 2 double crochets that we have here. So that's 2 more double crochets. 1, 2. And now that completes our flower shape. So we're going to chain 2, turn our work, and we're going to do, basically we're going to be repeating these rows for the rest of it, but to do row 1 again, we're going to have to go into these chain spaces. So I'm just going to show you again. We're going to be doing double crochets all the way across. It's going to be 15 double crochets. And to achieve this, we're going to do 1 in each of the first 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we've got this chain of 3. So now we're going to do 3 double crochets into this chain space. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do 1 into this triple crochet right here. And now we've got another chain 3, so we're going to do 3 double crochets into this space again. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the last 4 ones that we have left. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this gives us our row of just 15 double crochets. Now we're just going to repeat rows 2 through 5 over and over again until you have the length of the scarf that you would like. And then you're just going to weave in your ends, and you crocheted your own little mini flower scarf. Once you have made your scarf as long as you would like it, you're going to just cut your yarn. And I like to pull this chain through, but I pull it all the way through and pull it nice and tight and secure. And then I like to weave my ends in with just a smaller hook, or you can use a yarn needle, but I just prefer to use a smaller hook size, which I don't have with me right now because I'm pet sitting and I left it at home. Otherwise I would show you, but it's very simple. You just kind of leave it in the best you can to hide that end and do it on both sides. So using a 4mm crochet hook, I made 32 flowers total. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you enjoy your new little scarf. If you haven't already, please feel free to like and subscribe. I have lots more tutorials on my channel as well as crochet vlogs if you're needing some crochet inspiration. And yeah, I hope I see you next time. Bye.